Let's learn how you can block screenshots on your profile picture on WhatsApp. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. Method is same. Before we start, I want to tell you that WhatsApp actually did update about this and disabled taking screenshots anywhere. So people can't really screenshot your profile picture, but what you can do to prevent some tricks or anything, let's go to WhatsApp application first. Now you will have to go to settings, and now you will have to go to privacy and click on the profile photo and select who can see my profile photo. Now this is on everyone by default, but you can check my contacts. My contacts expect, like, you can remove few persons that you don't want to see your profile picture and set to nobody if you want to nobody see your profile picture. I will say this again. There was new update, and now no one can screenshot your profile picture or anything or chats if they don't using something like third party application. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.